Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Sea Ray's 2018 270 Sun Deck with an outboard engine. And if you look at the profile of the boat, they've come out with a brand new color this year. It's got a three-tone on it. It's a black on black, and then it's got the silver metallic, brand new color. It looks gorgeous, and it especially looks gorgeous on the water. We also have the white bimini top with the black canvas on it. Pretty cool looking, very modern looking for Sea Ray. They've kind of stepped it up on that look. So they've done a really nice job in improving the style of this boat. As we move towards the back, underneath we've got trim tabs, and then we've got the underwater lights. We've got the faux teak, which you're going to see here. It's also on the walkway through. Very comfortable under the feet. It's not hot under your feet at all, so it's pretty nice. I like it a lot. Powered by the Mercury Verado 350. It's a powerful engine. It's one of Mercury Verado's most popular engines, and it's plenty of power for this 270. So it's going to get it up on, actually drove one this morning. It got up on plane in about three and a half seconds. It's just fantastic. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Hi, here we are up on board the 270 Sun Deck. I'm going to start with the sun pad on the back. Very spacious sun pad. It goes in multiple positions. If you want to get a little extra comfortable, it'll prop up there, give you a more comfortable seating arrangement. Just pop it back down, and then you can pick it up here and look at the storage that's in here. It's incredible. It's as big as, for a 27-foot boat. You can put everything. You can put toys, you can put fenders, you can put everything in here. And the best part about this storage, as big as it is, leave that up. I can come over here. This is where, when this boat used to be an IO, we used to have an engine in here. We have no engine now. More gigantic storage. So it's amazing to see this amount of storage in a 27-foot boat. They've come a long way as far as storage is concerned. As we move towards inside, I've got a remote control stereo. I've got a little pop-up cooler right here, so when you're sitting on the sun pad in the back, you can ice that down. You've got a handout. You've got a shower here, so if you're coming out of the water in the back, you can rinse your feet off right here and rinse yourself off as well. And as we move in, we've got a very comfortable seating area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 adults, and then actually I can take the seat, the Helm seat. I can bring it back here, lounger this way, and a lounger that way. So if you're having a group of people here, you can sit here very comfortably. It's got a place down here for a table, sorry. It's got drink holders all around. You've got very good. You got more storage in here. We've got storage around, and you've got a good place for the cooler hidden out of the way, not sliding around the bottom of the boat. And then on this side, you've got more very large storage. Right now we have the canvas, so it has a cockpit cover and a tonneau cover, which is the bow cover. So we've got that plenty of room. Like I say, you can have everything you need on this boat and still have plenty of room left over on top of it. So as we move to the helm, slide this back. You've got the bolster seat that comes up like so. Very comfortable when you're driving the boat. You've got a built recess Simrad GPS in here. Very sleek, very modern looking, very clean looking. Remote control for the stereo. All your toggles, switches right here. You get the digital throttle and shift. You can get your trim tabs. It's set up very nicely. And we move over to the other side, to the port side of the boat. We've got a real nice head. You've got the vacuum flush toilet right there, which is the best you can have. You've got a porthole in there for light and fresh air if you do need it. Little small storage place to keep your phone, that type of thing up here. Keep it out of the weather. And then in here we've got storage. Again, more storage. This is for the tables. You've got a table, you've got a leg in, and the leg is right in here, so it's recessed. It's got a designated home, so it's not bouncing around in here, so plenty of room for that as well. And we move out to the bow. We've got it set where right now we've got a filler cushion here, so this will actually slide down and fill into here and give you a full sun pad out here, which is really comfortable. You've got a very large recliner right here with an armrest, and you've got a little bit smaller one on this side, but you've got two very comfortable lounge chairs up here. You've got the stainless steel rub rails around for when you're something to hold on to when you're running. You feel much safer when you're holding on this versus the side of the boat. And here we open up, we've got the windlass, and it's out of the way, so it's not something you can trip on. It keeps everything good, nice and clean. You get the stainless steel anchor. It's real high end as far as anchors go. So you can also control this from the helm as well. Then if you happen to beach it and you hop up on the bow of the boat, you've got a little rinse off, so you can rinse the sand up on here. This is all non-skid right here, so if you do step up on here, you can rinse your feet off the side and not bring the sand onto the boat. So more storage under the bow seats here. Again, you don't have enough stuff to fill this boat. So my name is Bob Freeman with MarineMax Naples. If you have any questions on the 270 Sun Deck, please give me a call at 603-213-1194.